In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to landscape in WPS Office Mobile. Welcome and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will clearly explain how to change your page orientation from portrait to landscape using the WPS Office Mobile app. This guide is designed to be simple, practical, and easy to follow when read aloud, making it ideal for anyone working on documents using a smartphone. Once you open the WPS Office app, you will first see the main screen where your recent files, templates, or current projects are displayed. From here, open the document you are working on or select the page you want to edit. If it is a saved file, tap Edit to make changes. If it is a new or currently open document, there is no need to do this. When the document is fully loaded and visible on your screen, take a moment to check the current layout. By default, the page will appear in portrait mode. If you want to change the page to landscape mode, there is no complicated setup or advanced setting required. Everything you need is already built into the app. Look for the menu option within the document editing screen. On most mobile devices, this menu can be accessed by tapping the icons located on the bottom left side of the screen. After tapping the menu, find and tap on the View tab, then look for the option labeled Page Setup. This section contains settings related to how your page is displayed. Inside Page Setup, you will see an option called Orientation. This is where you can switch the layout of your page. Tap on the Orientation option, then select Landscape. As soon as you apply this setting, your page will immediately change from portrait to landscape mode. You will notice that the page becomes wider, allowing your content to spread out more evenly across the screen. This layout is especially helpful when working with tables, charts, images, or any content that requires extra horizontal space. After switching to landscape mode, take a moment to review your content. You may find that text, images, or other elements are now easier to read and better aligned. Landscape mode improves visibility and gives your document a cleaner, more organized appearance, especially on mobile devices. That is how you can easily change your page to landscape mode in WPS Office Mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.